Thanks for watching Rinka's Speech. Today I'm making fresh spring rolls, so let's get started. So I have here vermicelli noodles. I'm gonna put it in hot water to soften them up. Okay, and I'm gonna start cutting the vegetables. So you can put any vegetables or any ingredients in the spring rolls. I have here carrot, cucumber, lettuce, coriander, and prawns, and also the vermicellis. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the carrot. And I'm gonna peel this. This much. Okay, so I'm gonna cook the prawns. Put it in boiling water. On the vermicelli noodles. Looking good. And then ready. And the prawns. Okay. Prawns are ready. Start rolling the spring rolls. I have rice paper and I have lukewarm water here. I'm gonna wet this, but not too much because it becomes soft very fast. And the other side. Okay, perfect. Lettuce. Just in the middle. I'll put some carrots that I cut before and cucumber and some coriander and vermicelli noodles. Prawns. So the prawns should go at the very top, and you'll see why. Okay. I fold the bottom first, and then the sides. And then I roll it from the bottom. Ta-da! So you can see the prawns, so it looks beautiful. Let's try another one. Rice paper, wet it. carrots, have cucumber, and some coriander, and vermicelli noodles. And this time I'm just gonna put 2 prawns. And let's roll it. So from the bottom, and then the sides, and then you roll. Make sure your prawns don't run away. Ta-da! So they're ready, and I have here sweet chili sauce. I'm gonna put this in the dish. So you can dip this in here to enjoy. Look, they're ready. Looks delicious. So if you want to know what sake I paired it with, just check out the link in my description. Enjoy! Arigato! Thank you for watching!